What's good, crypto family? Hope you guys are having a great morning right now, man. I know you guys been seeing that market dip. The market has been dipping. We were pumping up a little bit, but we're back at what the 7 zeros. The whole market is bleeding. It is bleeding out right now. So I hope you are accumulating your favorite coins. Right now, Bitcoin at 110,000, Ethereum sitting at 3,900. Our token Dogelon Mars, where we sitting at 707811. Like what I said, the bigger the base, the higher we go in space. And a lot of people are asleep on that. They're asleep on that matter. Now, as you guys see here, will the bull market end anytime soon? Data suggests we are nowhere near the end of the bull market, but instead just beginning a historic rally.
So the trillion-dollar question in finance right now is whether we're in a bubble or not. Will the current bull market end anytime soon? You hear everyone talking about it. You see it all over TV and in the papers. Well, history suggests that we're in the early innings of a big bull market. Let me explain. Phil Rosen of Opening Bell writes, everyone is worried about an AI bubble, but this is still a young bull market compared to history. The S&P 500 is up 83% in 3 years, which is less than half the average 191% return of the last 11 bull markets, all of that according to Ryan Dietrich. So it would be weird for the bull market to end now. Now that begs the question, what is going to drive the market higher if it's not going to end? Well, Polymarket has the odds of an October Fed interest rate cut of at least 25 basis points at more than 95% odds. And the December interest rate cut, those odds are sitting at over 82%. So that would be 2 more interest rate cuts towards the end of the year. And if the juicing of the market via interest rate cuts wasn't convincing enough, Polymarket also has the odds of a recession in the US this year, now only sits at 6%. Now, 6% is an interesting number because that's a massive drop in the odds. Remember, the odds of a US recession earlier this year was as high as 65%. So to be at only 6% today, it's quite the change. And lastly, the odds of the US national debt surpassing $38 trillion this year, well, those odds now stand at 97%, $38 trillion. So the government's not going to stop printing money. The cost of capital is likely to come down because of the interest rate cuts, and the bull market is going to continue ripping higher. I don't make the rules. Don't get mad at me. I'm merely sharing the data with you. I just ride the waves. And so good luck to all of you out there. Keep paying attention to the prediction markets and keep watching financial assets. Whether we like it or not, this bull market, it ain't ended anytime soon.
Oh, wait. It's not ended anytime soon, so you can stop playing them crackhead ass games, man. Believe what you want to believe. It's your own opinion. But at the end of the day, this is why I said we're not going to have like a bear market right now. Right now, what you guys seeing is a flash sale. Yes, we have been dealing with a Black Friday sale for the past 2-3 years, but this is totally different. This is whereas they're giving us an opportunity to accumulate what we need to accumulate. We are at these drastic measures. Listen, like what I said a year ago, I said we never touched 7 zeros. Look at where we're at now. We're at 7 zeros. There's no reason why any of you are not going to be wealthy if you have not been accumulating or you have been holding your bags. It's going to get a lot more realer than this. And a lot of people is going to say, I wish I did not sell my bag. Shout out to Anthony. 1.7 trillion Citibank to launch crypto custody services in 2026. These major institutions are accumulating while others are evacuating. Dogelon Mars, doorway to Mars, as you guys see. Man, and you've seen that they already sent up Starship. They sent it up. I know you. I mean, I know a lot of people feeling some type of way, but I mean, why would you? This is a real painting at Starbase. I can't share or take pics of anything I am seeing today, but I was told I am allowed to share this image. Top floor of Mega Bay 2. And as you guys see right here, man, you guys see it. And I'm not going to I'm not going to just push things on you guys or whatnot, but just know we're going to Mars, baby. And as you guys see here, Big Bang Theory mentions Bitcoin back in 2017. Bitcoin was only $10,000 at the time. Oh my God, man. Hold on. Hold up. And then like with them showing that, like a lot of people are asleep and don't know that Elon, Dogelon Mars, not Dogelon Mars, when they did what's that thing called, man? I can't find it right now. I got too much stuff on my stuff right now. Get it. Just then, JP Morgan confirms that they will allow clients to trade cryptocurrencies. It's here. It's here.
And just in terms of another big topic that the banks focus on, custody of crypto assets. I was speaking to Citi last week, suggesting they're going to launch their own crypto custody service. This is actually holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other tokens as well. When it comes to how you're approaching digital assets, how big a topic is custody right now? Is it something that you're looking to launch as well?
From a JP Morgan side, I don't think that's in the near-term horizon for us. I think Jamie was pretty clear at Investor Day that we're going to be involved in the trading of that, but custody isn't on the table at the moment. There's a lot of questions around our own risk appetite of how far we want to go down that path from trading and other sides of it, and then custody, I guess, would follow. But naturally, we need custodians, so we're exploring what the right custodians for us for the business footprint that will grow.
And just in terms of another big topic that the banks focus on, custody of crypto assets. I was speaking to Citi last week, suggesting they're going to launch their own crypto custody service. This is actually...
Ethereum is taking over Wall Street, and we are on the Ethereum
people
blockchain.
That grew up in the Web3 world and the DeFi world really are on top of their game. But it's a lot of people in traditional finance world that still tend to struggle with this a little bit. So if you think about where the future is, 5 years from now, there's not going to be a stock, there's not going to be an option, there's not going to be a mutual fund, ETF, anything that's not in effect tokenized. Stable coins. 5 years ago, nobody heard about stable coins. Today, we've got about $280 billion market. And Secretary Bessent had said that two years from now, we'll probably have a $2 trillion market. Ethereum is about 60% of that. So Ethereum's got its own blockchain, and it's got programmable smart contracts that in effect can do really complex financial institutional type transactions, especially overseas, that can be done almost instantaneously today, and that's going to be the way of the future. So 5 years from now, the market that we know of today, the exchanges, 24/7 markets and settlement, et cetera, that's going to be the way of the future. And I'm not sure traditional finance has necessarily quite accepted that yet.
If you could name the first city on Mars, what would you call it? We are going to have a parabolic season, and it's incoming. It's incoming. I mean, I can't just, I'm not the type of person just to gas you up, but it's just facts, and this is what it is. This is why I have been standing on my pivot on Dogelon Mars. I ain't shaking out. I ain't dipping out. Why? Why is that? You guys know what you hold. Now, if so, because I haven't been dropping videos back to back, I hope that didn't make you back up out of your bag. After all these years we've been accumulating and been up on this, that it don't make sense. Make it make sense. I gave you guys the blueprint. And if you tend to, like, you know what I'm saying, like not follow it, then it's on you. With her. I ain't going nowhere. It's up. It's up from him.
Right now, on November 8th, I announced that when Mr. Trump, whether you love him or hate him, this was the beginning of the greatest transformation of wealth the world has ever fucking seen since World War II. See, I know what he was going to do. I know what he's going to do now. And he hasn't even got started. Now, what are you going to tell your kids and your grandkids 25 years from now when they say, gee, Daddy, gee, Grandpa, what were you doing other than having your thumb up your big fucking ass during the greatest transformation of wealth in the history of the world? What were you fucking doing? Fuck all, nothing. That's what most of you will tell them, your grandchildren and your children. It's never going to get any better than this, kids. This is the, as I said on YouTube, the eye of the perfect motherfucking storm. This is it. I never thought I'd live to see it again. This is going to make the 80s look like a nursery rhyme, which I praise Allah, praise Buddha, praise God. I participated in slashing and raping everybody in the 80s, legally. This is going to make that look like a fucking nursery rhyme. And what are you going to tell your kids? Oh, I had to spreadsheet it. I had to think about it. I had to read another book on M&A, you fucking morons. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.